Hey guys, welcome back. We are headed to the salon for round number 2. We are gonna go ahead and take out the rest of that warmth in my mother's hair. Penny over here, or as I lovingly like to call her, Helen. Her name is Helen. Anyway, we are going to the salon. It is rainy out in Austin, super gross, but better because it is taking away all the nasty allergies in the air, so all the pollen. Ugh. So anyway, we are headed to the salon. I'm gonna pay attention to the road and I will see you there.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile and the bar. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. To be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 AM, I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, yeah. We're almost there, I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed, take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah, yeah. a gem.